Hello, guys. Let's start. Press on Load Audio button and choose an audio file. The editor supports MP3 and OGG audio formats. The audio is loaded, you can see the waveform. Press play button to play sound. Sounds really good. Before mapping, we need to detect the song tempo OK at BPM. To do that, start song and tap on finger button, following the beat. Move to the more dynamic section of the song. For example, like this. After the test, you can adjust the value. I suggest that tempo is something like 125. Press Add Track button to add a new track. You can set the instrument, set its custom name and color. Go through the all audio and check the beginning of bars. You can see that it doesn't perfectly match. Here is a small distance. In this place, the delay become even bigger. This music should start in the beginning of the bar, not in the middle. That means that we need to correct the tempo. This is what we need. The delay becomes smaller. The correct tempo is 124. Now go to the beginning of the track and set start position. Very often audio files have a delay in beginning of the record. Set start position solves this issue. Audio perfectly matches the track grid in all places of the song. Click on left mouse button on the track grid to add a note. To remove the note, select the note and click on right mouse button. Keep Alt, Option press. Then drag the note to increase its length. Keep Shift press. Then drag the note to move the note inside the bar. Keep Shift together with Alt Option to move without snapping to grid. This could be helpful for more precise mapping. Add a separate track for another type of instrument, for example drums. Select a note and choose one of the markers. Markers are used in the game to connect a specific logic or behavior. To make a long note that goes through a few bars, use extended marker. This also can be used in the game to create long notes. You are not limited to default markers only. Press Add Marker to create your own custom markers. Set up ID, code and color for the marker. This place is really epic, let's highlight it in the game. You can add markers as many as you want. It is really depends on the logic of your rhythm-based game. Press Save Map button to save the map file. Fill your name, song title, artist name, genre and download link. Fill other fields if you want. Set file name and press OK. You can open the saved file in any text editor. It is JSON data file. You can see tracks, notes, position, markers data. It can be easily parsed and consumed by any game engine like Godot, Unity and others. Visit my GitHub page to get source code of games based on MBOY Editor. For example, GuitarHero clone game. You can see the example of code how to parse and process the map file data. Visit music tiles repository, it is in another example of the game. You can learn how to convert map parameters into game parameters like bar length, speed of notes, how to spawn notes based on map data. It can be hard to understand from code, so I recommend you to visit this YouTube tutorials channel. The tutorial shows how to create a game using MBOY Editor and Godot engine. Press Reset Editor when you want to start from scratch. After that you need to load audio file again. Press Import Map to open previously saved map file. Press Settings button. Here you find all useful shortcuts for the editor. Check out Support tab. Here you can find website by Pro version link and support email address. MBOY Editor free version is limited to 3 tracks only. To get Pro version, visit website mboygames.com and create an account. Press Register to start. After creating an account, press on Buy Pro. Choose a pricing plan. I recommend to choose 12-month plan. It's most optimal. After payment is processed, you can see the Editor Pro version is enabled. Also, you can see the duration of your subscription. Back to MBOY Editor and press on Login button. Fill the credentials of your account and press OK. My profile button is shown, press on it to see the subscription details. It's totally same as on the website. Now Add Track button is unlocked. In Pro version the number of tracks is unlimited. Add as many tracks as you need. Press Shift and Spacebar to play and follow the cursor. Enjoy mapping and create great games. See you later.